People come to me for honest advice and aggressive representation. That's what I bring to the table. When I have a client, during that first meeting, I'm going to say two things. Tell me everything, and don't gild the lily. I need to know the unadulterated truth. If you think it's good, I want to know about it. If you think it hurts you, I really want to know about it, because how else can I protect you if I don't know the good and the bad? The other thing I say is, I'm not going to tell you stories about sunshine and butterflies and rainbows when it's raining out. If it's raining out and your case is looking really bad, you're going to know about it. I'm going to tell you. That doesn't mean it can't go to trial, or it won't go to trial, or you can't get a good result, but you need to know what's going on in the case. Now, you can take the advice I give you, and you can just totally disregard it and tell me how you want to proceed, and that's fine, as long as it's done in an informed manner. It won't be because I've hid the ball or haven't really told you all the bad facts along with the good. I get the question all the time. How many cases do you go to trial on? Are you going to try my case, or are you just going to throw me under the bus and plead me out? I am not the attorney that just takes your money and tosses you under the bus and says, thanks a lot for the money. I'm pleading you guilty. You have to look at it this way. The majority of cases don't go to trial. The majority of them are negotiated through plea negotiations. And you have to look at your case and say, what is my level of risk that I can tolerate? Some people have a high level that they can tolerate, and they say, come hell or high water, the only thing I'm going to accept from that prosecutor is a letter of apology and a dismissal. I've had cases like that where people say, even on the very serious ones, I'm fighting this on principle. I didn't do it. And we go in there and we fight like hell. Other people, we've got a great case. You're urging the client, look, I can't guarantee you a win. It's a trial. Things could go bad, but you've got an excellent chance of beating it. And they take the deal anyway because that's what's best for them. They have a very low level of risk that they can tolerate. But that's a long way of saying, yes, I do try cases. And some of it is dictated by the client. Some of it is dictated by the facts. But at the end of the day, it's always your call, the client, on whether or not you want to go to trial. And it's my job to prepare the case for trial and to advise you what I think the best route to go is. And if you decide to take my advice and go to trial, or not take my advice and go to trial, it's your decision.